In this quick video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you on how to send photos in TikTok message. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So you must have seen people on TikTok sending you photos on TikTok through the inbox option on TikTok as message, and you're wondering how it's been done. You're not seeing the feature on yours. In this video, I'm going to easily show you how to actually do that. So guys, let's dive right into the video. So right here is my TikTok, and this is my homepage on my TikTok app. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the inbox icon. If you click on the inbox icon and go to the person you want to actually send the photo to, so in order for you to actually send a photo to this person on TikTok, looking here, you can't actually see any option to do that. You can only see the option to send a sticker and the option to send a voice note to this person on TikTok. So in order for you to actually send a photo to this person on TikTok, there is only one way you can actually do that. You need to go right here, click on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, click on your gallery option. Then you can go ahead and select the photo you want to send to this person. Then click on next. Go ahead and click on next. So unfortunately, you need to go ahead and click on post in order to post this photo on TikTok. So once you're done posting the photo on TikTok like this, you can go to your profile icon in order to see the photo you just posted. Click on the photo like this. So right here, you need to click on the three dot icon on this post. Then go ahead and select the person you want to send it to as a photo and click on send. So once you do that, going back to the inbox option and going to that chat between you and that person, looking here, you can see that you've been able to send this photo to this person, but unfortunately you are sending it as a video, not as a photo. So this is the only option available currently on TikTok for you to be able to send a photo to someone on TikTok. Hope you found this video helpful, because we've come to the very end of this video. Now if there's any other updates concerning this, I'm going to make a video for you on that as well. This channel is ready for you. Now hit the like button, subscribe, and hit notification bell to be the first to get updated whenever I upload helpful videos like this on this channel. See you in the next one.